Center United 1471.
Go ahead, sir.
United 1471 is declaring medical emergency. Looks like we're going to have to head back to Newark.
United 1471 cleared to Newark. Be a present position direct. I'll have descent for you shortly when able. Say the sex and age of the patient and the medical condition.
Direct Newark, we are United 1471, and we'll have that for you in a second here.
United 1471, cross 70 miles to the southeast of Newark, at and maintain 10,000, Kennedy altimeter 3033.
Alright, cross 70 southeast of Newark, 10,000, United 1471. And Center United 1471.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so it's a female. We think she's 60 to 70. At this time, they're telling us she's conscious. She has received CPR. She's very sick. So I wasn't listening to the whole conversation, but we're to proceed direct at Newark, across 70 miles this side at 10,000. Is that correct?
United 1471, that is correct. And do you need any other assistance at the field? Just ambulance at the terminal?
Affirmative, ambulance, and we have notified our dispatch.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
And United 1471, when able, forward an ETA for Newark.
Okay, stand by, and we'll let you know here in just a second.
Okay, Roger.
And Center United 1471, looks like our estimated time arrival was at 3:24 Zulu.
Roger.
And United 1471 is starting down.
Roger, do you guys know what gate you're going to?
Not yet.
Okay. Set everything up. You said you spoke to a company, right?
Yeah, they told us they have paramedics on the way.
Okay, perfect. United 1471, contact New York Center on 128.3. Good night.
283 United 1471, thanks for help. New York United 1471 at a 9 for 3,000, where's the aircraft?
United 1471, Nickel Approach, good evening, altitude at 3032, domain the altitude, maintain 4,000 for now.
Alright, what's up to descent 4,000, 3 centimeter, United 1471.
United 1471, fighting 340.
340, United 1471.
United 1471, turn up at 320.
320, United 1471.
United 1471, contact New York Approach on 128.55. Good night.
28 to the side, United 1471. New York Bridge, United 1471, medical emergency, checking in 4,000 November.
United 1471 New York, altimeter 3030. If I can get you runway 4 left, will that work?
4 left will work, United 1471.
Okay. Can you do the visual? I don't know if they're going to have the ILS up at this time.
Yeah, we can accept the visual, United 1471.
Roger, expect that. Let me talk to the tower, just double check.
Alright.
Alright, United 1471, go direct to Newark. Set yourself up for the visual to runway 4 left, and I'll get back to you in a second.
Alright, direct to the airport, set up for the visual 4 left, United 1471.
United 1471, once again, the altimeter 3031. It's going to be the visual to runway 4 left. And, you got any updates for me that I can pass on?
The passenger's unconscious currently, United 1471, that's all we know.
Okay.
And if we didn't pass it along, we're going to gate 98.
Roger, I'll let them know. United 1471, it's going to maintain 3,000.
United 3,000, United 1471.
United 1471, speed to your discretion.
Speed your discretion, United 1471. We got lower for United 1471.
United 1471, it's going to maintain 2,000.
2,000, United 1471.
United 1471, the field is 12 o'clock and 8 miles.
Field site, United 1471.
United 1471, you're cleared for the visual, runway 4 left.
Visual, 4 left, now 1471.
United 1471, speed your discretion. Contact the Newark Tower 118.3. Have a good night. Good luck.
Alright, thanks a lot. Newark Tower, United 1471.
No worries, take care.
Newark Tower, United 1471, right base, 4 left visual.
1471, Newark Tower, good evening, wind 2303, runway 4 left, clear to land.
4 left to land, United 1471.
1471, if you can make the hard left onto Kilo, you taxi Kilo Alpha and contact the ramp.
Kilo Alpha,